Hello everybody. So this is the latest gadget which is used for helping you analyze stocks in the methods described by the book called The Zulu Principle and Beyond the Zulu Principle. They're both by Jim Slater. They're both excellent. And he had a formulaic method of analyzing stocks to see what was valuable. The most important metric was this peg factor, which is derived from the prospective PE and the broker forecasts. So the average peg factor is around about 1.2 globally, and he has anything under 1 considers to be attractive. So a peg of 0.09 is 11 times undervalued basis of that metric. So that's not a tip to buy this stock. I'm just explaining what it is. So here you've got these factors for each year, and you can see the revenues growing steadily apart from that one. And now we've got into explosive growth because of the gold price going up, which could be shrinkage if the gold price decides to collapse. And at the end of it, you get these little reports and a rating out of 15, which is very good, and you get the actual Zulu method rating 7 out of 7. So basically a very bullish report. So I'll just do another one. I've already got a question written out. Please analyze total energy service based in Canada in the manner described in the Zulu V6 template. So you click on this, and after you've purchased my template, you can upload it like this, and then Grok will generate the report. It does work with other AIs such as Perspicacity, Perplexity, what's it called, Limistral. All of them will be able to generate some kind of report. Grok is the one which I've found to be the best so far, but they're always changing. So this is Total Energy Service, which is based on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Yeah. And this one is another one with a very low peg, 0.07. Incredibly undervalued according to this. You can see the revenue growth is very reliably going up. Cash flow per share is strong. Earnings per share is going up nicely. Consistent. Margins are improving. Interest cover is 15x, which is very, very safe. Some companies can't even make their interest payments times 1, but this is 15 times, so that's considered a good metric. So this is basically it. It does what it says on the tin, and this one is another one that's rated as a strong buy by Zulu method. So if you want to learn more about it, you need to buy the book, which you can buy very cheaply online, The Zulu Principle or Beyond the Zulu Principle, both by Jim Slater. You probably only need to buy the latter. You can get them for like $10, £10 on eBay or Amazon used. Really, really good book. Thoroughly recommend it. Very interesting, and there's a lot to learn. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the new gadget, and see you again soon.